Hello, my name is Olivia and I'd like to welcome you to our system. If you're here, you're like one of the millions that have been searching for a way to generate an income online. We're part of a diverse team of leaders that have decades of experience in both traditional and online businesses. We've done all the trial and error, we know what works and what doesn't, but here's one of the biggest revelations in the online business world. Prospective online entrepreneurs and most companies have been approaching this in the wrong way. Starting with products and services, there are literally millions to choose from, and yes, some truly are exceptional, but in today's world, the reality is everyone who's looking to generate extra income or make their fortunes online, first and foremost, it's about how can we make the most money the fastest with the least amount of time and effort. Introducing Great Life Worldwide, the company designed to not only help you generate income faster, with less effort than any other company. Our product line is designed to help you become the best version of yourself, so you can truly live life to the fullest. Simply click on the button below for our business overview, then contact us, so we can outline exactly what we do to help everyone succeed.